So friends, today I am going to showing you a very common problem. Actually operator face this problem without knowing the matter. The problem is that sometimes operators complain that input is freeze, input becomes totally freeze. You can see in my multi-view monitor that there is two source, that is input 1 and that is input 2. Input 1 and input 2 sources are there, but sometimes operators complain that their video input becomes freeze. So it is not a problem, it's a operating issue. So today I am going to show you that how this input video becomes freeze and how to clear it. So let's start. You can see in my display that there is a menu still. This is possible from the option still. You can see in my display that still menu is open. In this you have to enter input still, and you can see here under the select there are so many inputs. So many means total 8 inputs are showing here. So and the mode is frame. It means if I press this rotary switch below the frame, that means rotary switch number F2, then input number 1 will be freeze. You can see the multi-view monitor, the input number 1 is now freeze, and I am showing how to freeze the input number 2. Next, come to the menu. Under the select option, using the rotary switch F1, do make it input 2, and again mode frame, press the rotary switch F2. After a beep sound, input 2 also freeze. You can see the monitor, input 1 and input 2 both are freeze. And then operators trying to pull out the video cables, checking their video sources, camera, etc. They thinking that the input there may be problem in the input, but this is not the problem with your camera or playback device or VNC cables or VNC inputs. Nothing. This is actually done from this switcher by mistaken. So now I want to show you that how to remove this freeze frame. So for that, suppose you are here and you don't know from where it can be removed. So for that you have to go menu, still, input still. Here have to select input 1, mode frame, function should be clear. Press rotary switch F3. You can see the input 1 is now alive, but input 2 still in freeze mode. So in the same way we have to also clear the input 2. So for that you have to select input 2, mode frame, function should be clear, and press the F3 rotary button. You can see the multi-view monitor, input 2 also is now alive. So input 1 and input 2 both are alive now. Sometimes operators do it without knowing the matter, and thinks that then they thought that the problem in their video cable, problem may be VNC cable, output camera, playback device, but no, everything is okay. Only input freeze due to these operations. So by this way you can clear it.